I want to switch gears a little bit and look at one of God's creation. It's called the woodpecker. All right. The woodpecker has X-shaped feet. 2 toes facing forward, 2 toes facing backwards, which enables it to move up and down the tree and around the tree all at the same time. Now, most birds have 3 toes in the front and 1 in the back. The woodpecker is a little bit different. The woodpecker has stiff yet elastic tail feathers. Now, the tail feathers serve like a tripod where it can prop himself up against the tree as it moves up and down and around the tree. That's the purpose of these stiff yet elastic tail feathers. The strength of the beak, let's talk about that for a moment. It hammers wood at a rate of 16 times per second. Get that, that's 16 times per second. That's 1,000 blows per minute, twice as fast as a submachine gun. It has a bone reinforced and cartilage padded skull. The head travels the speed, twice the speed of a discharged bullet. Okay, when you know how the sound of those things are. When you're out in the woods and you hear that, pop, 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 pop. Okay, that's a woodpecker. All right. At this speed, now the head travels twice the speed of a discharged bullet. At this speed, any slight whiplash, rotation of the head during drilling would tear away the bird's brain on impact. Now, to prevent this, superbly, and I do mean superbly, coordinated neck muscles keep the head in perfect alignment during the impact of this bird. The head and the beak thus drives back and forward with no side motion at all. This is critical. Okay. Now, most birds have their bill fused directly to the bone of the cranium. Now, this bird, the woodpecker, is physically separated from its beak by a remarkable sponge-like cartilage. And this separation with this cartilage serves as a shock absorber because of the banging and the beating of this and the drilling that these birds do. And it's better than any shock absorber man has ever made. Its nostrils are covered by a fine wiry feather to prevent the entering of sawdust. All right, a lot of sawdust in there, and it has this fine wiry feather that covers the nostrils so not to prevent the airflow that it needs when drilling. Its tongue, the woodpecker's tongue, can stretch 3 to 5 times its normal length. The tongue has glue secretion glands, which enables it to pick out bugs from the holes that it drills. Now, evolutionists would have you believe that it took millions of years to develop this bird. It took 1,000,000 years to develop the feet, 2 toes forward, 2 toes backwards. It took another 1,000,000 years to develop the tail feather, which serves as like a tripod up against that tree. It took another 1,000,000 years to develop the long tongue that it needs. But here's the thing with the woodpecker. Nothing works until everything works. It all has to work at the same time, you see. What's my point? My point is, the fool has said, there is no God. That's my point.